Alright, welcome to the channel. This week we're on Royal Caribbean's Enchantment of the Seas. We have a junior suite on deck 8, 8616. Convenient location. Right here is the elevators, so it's not too far away. If you walk in, you have a little area right here. It has some storage here. It's got about 3 drawers here. And some shelves. A little table here for some amenities they leave in the room. You got a couple mirrors here. And right here on the right when you walk in, so there's some additional storage here. One of the nice things here about the junior suites, on these older ships, there's a ton of storage in here. On the left hand side, you got a closet here. On the newer ships, the junior suites have the walk-in closet. This one doesn't, but it does have 3 drawers here, some hanger space. And on the right hand side, we have the bathroom. It does have the junior suite bathtub in it versus the shower. And then the sink and the toilet area over here. Some additional storage here on the right hand side of the sink. And a couple more cabinets here for additional storage. As you walk in, and on the left hand side you have the desk area with your telephone. A couple mirrors here once again. These have storage here in behind these mirrors on each side. So right here and here. Some additional drawers here around the desk area. And then down here is your refrigerator. Down here in this cabinet. And then a couple more cabinets up here with your safe is located in here also. On each side of the bed you have a couple nightstands. Each have a couple drawers in it. And switch here, master switch for the lighting. Turns the lighting off in the room. And then on here, a couple lamps here on each side of the bed. Switches, I believe, right here. Yeah. If you walk on into the junior suite, on the left hand side we have a couple more lamps on the wall and some more additional storage areas here. A mirror here on the wall, a couple chairs here, and a full-size couch over here at the table. And these stools here, the nice thing about these, there's some additional storage areas in here if you need to put anything in there. You get a couple of those, one there and one here. As you walk out on the balcony, it's going to be a larger balcony, being a junior suite. A couple chairs, a table. We're in Tampa, Florida right now. Getting ready to set sail. Over there in the back, the distance you'll see that's Radiance of the Seas. Kind of cool being here next to the Radiance, but. And one more view of the suite from the balcony area. It's a nice sized room, a lot bigger than a balcony room or a Ocean View or interior. So I am going to get a couple additional tours of a Ocean View Stateroom and a balcony stateroom. So I'll leave the links to those down below in the description. If you like what you see, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.